Introducing AI-powered RFP Response Agent, the smarter, faster, and more intelligent way to handle RFPs.
Problems with traditional RFP responses. RFP responses are slow and complicated. Teams spend hours reading documents and formatting manually. Details get missed, coordination suffers, and the result is delays and frustration. AI Agent Overview. The AI agent starts with your RFP document. It reads and extracts all key requirements, uses semantic search and learnings from past responses, applies proven templates, and generates a complete first draft in minutes. The draft can then be reviewed and refined before final approval and export. How the AI agent works. This is the main dashboard. It shows all your projects, whether they're approved, under review, or in progress. You can also see RFP response projects and start a new one right from here. By clicking on Create New RFP Response, the process begins. After clicking Create New RFP Response, the user is taken to a new screen. Here, they can choose between beginner mode for guided step-by-step support, or expert mode for faster, advanced customization. This flexibility ensures the AI adapts to different user needs. Once beginner mode is selected, the project information screen appears. Here, the AI starts by gathering basic details for the RFP response, such as the client name, project name, and response due date. This ensures every proposal begins with accurate, organized information. The next step is uploading the RFP documents received from the client. Once uploaded, our AI automatically analyzes them to suggest the best response structure. During AI analysis, the system identifies key requirements, recommends the right response sections, and even suggests templates based on similar successful RFP responses. This makes the drafting process smarter and more efficient. On the response structure screen, users can select which sections to include in their RFP response. Key sections like executive summary, solution approach, and pricing are already pre-selected. Service level agreements can also be added if required. Each section comes with smart templates and proven best practices that can be customized to match the RFP requirements. The special instructions screen allows you to add specific requirements, guidelines, or preferences for your RFP response. You can include corporate style and branding, security compliance, past successes, cost effectiveness, technical details, or local support capabilities. These instructions guide the AI to generate content that matches your needs. On the Review and Generate screen, you can check all your project details before generating the RFP response package. This includes the project summary, uploaded documents, selected response sections, and any special instructions. Once everything is verified, the AI generates a draft response package that can be polished and adjusted as needed. After the draft is generated, you are taken to the main response sections page. Here, all key sections, executive summary, solution approach, pricing structure, and service level agreements, are displayed. Users can first view each section in detail to ensure all content is accurate and complete. If updates or corrections are needed, they can edit the content directly and add comments for clarity. Every edit is tracked by the version control system, allowing users to compare previous versions, monitor changes made by different team members, and maintain a full audit trail. Once the latest version is reviewed and finalized, users can approve the section, confirming that it meets the requirements of their department. When you're ready to compile, click the Export Package button. A pop-up screen appears showing the number of selected sections, how many are approved, and the total sections. You can choose to export all sections or only the approved ones. After confirming your selection, click Export Package to generate the RFP response package draft. The exported documents are well structured and ready for final manual adjustments before submission. After the export is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder and extract the exported package. Inside, you'll find all the RFP response documents neatly organized. Each document can be opened and reviewed individually to verify accuracy and formatting. The technical specification document includes an index table listing all sections, making it easy to jump to the executive summary, solution approach, pricing, service level agreements, or any other section. This organized structure ensures your team can conveniently review, refine, and finalize the draft package before sharing it with the client. Transform RFP responses with Vision First Technologies AI Agent. Book your free appointment now.